Hi there. Hi, everybody. I'm so excited because I'm going to share one of my all-time favorite salads that I make. I'm going to put some roasted vegetables in there. It's just going to be delicious. So I want to share it with you because maybe, just maybe, it might be one of your favorite salads as the weather starts to get warmer. I'm going to make my own homemade salad dressing. No store broad salad dressing is going into this temple, aka my body. So, enough talking. Let me share with you how I'm getting ready to hook it up. Here we go. The main star of this production is asparagus. The asparagus, she is the main star. And because she is the main star, I give her a nice bath in some baking soda. She soaks in baking soda and she just loves it up. She just laps it up. After she has her bath, after she's finished with her bath, I dry her off. I put her in a baking dish with some red onions, some mushrooms, and a whole bunch of chopped garlic. The seasonings that I put on her are achote powder, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne powder, jerk seasoning, salt, and pepper. And then I sprinkle some olive oil all over her so she can get nice and comfortable when she gets in the oven. After placing the asparagus and her co-stars in the oven to bake for 20 to 23 minutes, I'm going to start with the salad dressing. I'm using a tablespoon of Grey Poupon mustard. Oh, yes, I really like the flavor of that mustard. And then after that, I'm going to add some cilantro. I don't have the fresh cilantro, so the bottled cilantro is going to be just as good. Again, if you have fresh cilantro, put it in there. Going to add the cayenne pepper. I like it nice and spicy. After the cayenne pepper, I'm going to add my sea salt. I want you to adjust the seasonings to the way you like it. Of course, I'm adding my black pepper to the mix as well. I really like this little jar. It really helps me to get all the ingredients in there and just shake it up really, really well. After the pepper, I'm adding some white wine vinegar. A teaspoon will do. Again, playing it by ear. A teaspoon, half a teaspoon goes into the shaking jar. And then after that, I'm going to add a slice of lemon. Oh, yeah, that slice is going to go right in there. Slice of the juice of a lemon. And then after that, then comes the extra virgin olive oil. I'm playing it I'm playing it by ear. So I think I'm going to use maybe a tablespoon, or just a little bit more of the olive oil. And then I'm going to shake her up really, really good. I love this salad dressing. You can add a slice of lemon juice or a slice of lime juice, your preference. Whatever you do, trust me, it's going to be really, really good. And voila, it's ready. Quick interruption. This video is brought to you by agelessfitnesslifestyle.com. Your girl is a fitness diva, fitness warrior, fitness coach. If you're looking for a fitness program to get you in shape, to dismiss the myths that you're too old, you're too overweight, you're over the hill, come join me at agelessfitnesslifestyle.com. I'm going to give you customized meal plans. I'm going to give you a customized workout, and we're going to meet once a week because we're going to have accountability sessions so that I can make sure that you stay on track. Oh, yes, I will. Okay, let's get right back into the cooking. Here we go. I shredded some cabbage and I cut up some cherry tomatoes. And now I'm just going to pour that delicious, nutritious salad dressing all over the roasted vegetables. This, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be so doggone yummy. I wish you were here to enjoy it with me. So there it goes, all over the vegetables, the cabbage, the tomatoes, and also I sliced up some avocado on there as well. Here's the masterpiece: the sliced avocado, the mushrooms, and the asparagus. That's the superstar. And there goes the cabbage, and also the chopped, delicious garlic that's all over that bad boy. And you can see in the background, there are the cherry tomatoes as well. OMG. Oh my goodness, this is so good. It's quick, it's easy, it's nutritious, it's delicious. Um Sometimes I roast vegetables and I'll put it in here, but well, 8 times out of 10, I'll do raw vegetables. I'll do Brussels sprouts. I'll cut them up real small. I'll do carrots. I'll do cucumbers, and then I'll make that delicious salad dressing. Please, please give this a try. It's quick, it's delicious, it's nutritious, it's filled with fiber. It's just so healthy and it's so good for you. And you're kissing and you're loving every single cell in your body. So give it a try. Let me know. Please let me know what you thought of it. All right. I'm getting ready to dive into it. So give it a try. Bon appetit. And I'll take some delicious bites for you too. Thank you so much for joining me. Take good care. Be well. Stay blessed. Eat healthy. And God willing, I'll see you soon. Take good care now. Bye bye.